Okay, good afternoon, students. We continue with trigonometry. Again, I will become bachelor. When call comes, she will go. Now they are temporarily stopped schools. Next month we are again. Next month we will call. We are opening all the schools. Almost cannot be stayed over there. But I have no extra cases. This year completely rotation of the bachelor to women. All that. Now we continue with trigonometry, right? So already we have discussed angles of trigonometry: sine, cos, tan, cot, sec, and cosec. We make a tabulation. P ratio by angle: 0, 30, 45, 60, and 90 degrees. So first remember, this is root 0 by 4 means 0. Root 1 by 4, 1 by 2. Root 3 by 4, root 3 by 2. Root 4 by 4, 2 by 4 here. 1 by root 2. 3 by 4, root 3 by 2. Root 4 by 4, 1. Now remember, 0 by 4, root 1 by 4, root 2 by 4, root 3 by 4, root 4 by 4. And you know the value. Now cos you just rotate 1, root 3 by 2, 1 by root 2, 1 by 2, and 0. Now sine by cos. Okay, this side and this will come this side. Sine by cos. So 0 by 1, 0. This is 1 by root 3. This is 1. And this is root 3. This is 1 by 0 and 5. Now again 1 by tan. This is. Once you know tan, you can find 1 by tan. Undefined root 3, 1, 1 by root 3, and this is 0. Next secant, 1 by cos, reciprocal. So 1 by 1, 2 by root 3, root 2, 2, and undefined. Now cosecant, how we take? 1 by sine. 1 by 0, undefined. 2, root 2, 2 by root 3. And here, I think you are clear now with this part. So all of you are clear? Yes. Now you can see the relation between the trigonometric ratios and their respective angles. See here. Each trigonometry, there are 6 ratios and you know their relation, right? Sine is reciprocal to cosec, cos is reciprocal to sec, and tan is reciprocal to cot. These two are reciprocal, these two are reciprocal, and these two are reciprocal, as you know. Now, first you remember, let's start with 0. Root 0 by 4, root 1 by 4, root 2 by 4, root 3 by 4, and root 4 by 4. Root 0 by 4 remember as 0, root 1 by 4, 1 by 2, root 3, 2 by 4, 1 by root 2, root 3 by 4, root 3 by 2, root 4 by 4 is equal to 1. Right? Next, cos is reverse to sine. It will become 1 and root 3 by 2, and this becomes 1 by root 2, this becomes 1 by 2 because this 90 becomes 0, plus this 60 becomes 30, 45, 45 only, 30 becomes 60, and then 0 becomes 90. Again, sine by cos, these two divide, we'll get tan, like that 0, 1 by root 3, and 1, and root 3, and then undefined. Right? Again, 1 by tan, reciprocal, cos by sine, both are same only. Reverse it, this becomes cot. Then 1 by cos is equal to secant, 1 by cosecant, 1 by sine is equal to cosecant. This is the way you need to remember the tabulation. I think all of you are clear now how to make the tabulation of the trigonometric ratios. You are related to only these 5 angles. You are not going to take other angles except these 5. But this year you will be learning only 0, 30, 45, 60 and 90 degrees. Already we learned how to get these values. Only 5 values will be taken for this year. In the further years, we will go for, means when you take mathematics with combination for 11th or higher classes, you will be learning other angles, how they can be extracted. Are you clear? So note down this tabulation and understand the relation between each angle with respect to corresponding trigonometric ratio. Note down. I think all are clear now. Note down. Okay, note down. Yes. Now we'll discuss the angle 90 degrees derivation. Okay, for each trigonometric ratio. Note down. Okay, noted? Yes. Now see here. Now for each trigonometric ratio we are finding angle 90 degrees. Suppose in a right triangle you are taking other angle 90 means automatically this should be 90 means if this is theta is 90, then automatically what about this angle? This becomes 0. Okay, then sine theta is equal to sine 90 degrees is equal to opposite side by hypotenuse. So this becomes opposite side equals to hypotenuse because hypotenuse becomes this becomes 90 degrees. This will merge. Point C merges with point B. If C is equal to theta is equal to 90 degrees. So opposite then opposite side becomes hypotenuse. Therefore sin theta is equal to opposite side by opposite side which is equal to 1. Then cos theta cos 90. So extend side automatically becomes 0 because these two are merging now. So extend side by hypotenuse automatically 0 by hypotenuse is equal to 0. Sin tan theta tan 90 I will take. Tan 90 is equal to sin opposite side by extend side. So opposite side and extend side 0 which is equal to undefined. Similarly cot theta cot 90. So extend side by opposite side again 0 by opposite side which is equal to 0. Are you clear? Next secant theta secant 90 hypotenuse by extend side which is equal to hypotenuse by 0 which is undefined or 1 by cos 90 that also undefined. Similarly cosecant theta or cosecant 90 is equal to cosecant theta is equal to hypotenuse by opposite side, which comes to be both are same. So opposite side by opposite side, which is equal to 1. So like this, you will get the angles of the 90 degrees for each T ratio. So sine, cos, tan, cot, sec, and cosec. This is T ratio and this is 90 degrees. 1, 0, undefined, 0, undefined, 1. This we have not derived yesterday, so we have derived this 90 degrees part for today. And we already integrated this all angles 0, 30, 45, 60 and 90 in the previous table. This is about 90 degrees. Are you clear? Understood all of you? So note on this part, making angles 90 degrees from 0, 30, 45, 60 and 90. One you can find the other ratios because there is a chain of relation between the trigonometry ratios among each other. One ratio you can find others, you are connected like loop. So that's why if you know sine, you can automatically find cosec, cos, sec, tan and cot from one another because everyone is related to other T ratio in one form, either reciprocal or else complementary likewise. Okay, note it down. Okay, note down. Now we have found identities, trigonometric identities, 3 cases, and we have learned the angles between the trigonometric ratios, right? For each angle, at 5 angles for each T ratio, right? Now we are going to learn the last concept of this trigonometry, which is complementary angles. Okay, so what is complementary angles? Of T ratios. So what is complementary angles? If the sum of two angles is 90, automatically they are called complementary angles or not? If the sum of two angles is 90 degrees, they are called complementary angles. Okay, now you see here, in a trigonometric ratio or else in a right triangle, if this is 90, this is theta, automatically this is 90 minus theta. Always note, in a right triangle, the sum of two acute angles is 90 degrees. Therefore, they are complementary to each other. So for angle A, angle C is complementary. For angle C, angle A is complementary. Since angle A is equal to 90 minus angle C, angle C is equal to 90 minus angle A. Right? This is what complementary. Are you clear now? So angle A and angle C are here angle A and C. Suppose here A you take, here B you take, here B and C can be complementary. Acute angles are always complementary to each other. Are you clear now? Complementary angles, right? Note down. Okay, now we'll see here. Now, therefore, in triangle ABC, if angle B is equal to 90 degrees, sin theta is equal to, angle A is equal to theta, angle C is equal to 90 minus theta. Sin theta is equal to opposite side by hypotenuse, which is equal to BC by AC. Then cos 90 minus theta you take, which is equal to cos is equal to angle cos C. Here sin A is equal to extend side by hypotenuse, which is equal to BC by AC. Now these two are equal. See here, for this theta sin is equal to, for this theta cos. Therefore, sin A is equal to cos C, or sin theta is equal to cos 90 minus theta. Therefore, similarly, cos theta is equal to sin 90 minus theta. Our cos theta gets inside by hypotenuse. So this is a for this triangle opposite by hypotenuse. So these two are complementary angles. Sin theta is equal to cos 90 minus theta. Cos theta is equal to sin 90 minus theta. Okay, are you clear? No doubt. Yes. Next one. So understand the complementary angles. Therefore, sin and cos are complementary angles. Complementary T ratios. To each other. Sin and cos are complementary T ratios to each other. Next, we take here one more case. Tan theta is equal to opposite side by extend side, which is equal to tan A, which is equal to BC by AB. Cot 90 minus theta is equal to extend side by opposite side, which is equal to cot C is equal to BC by AB. Therefore, tan A is equal to cot C, or cot A is equal to tan C, or tan 90 minus theta is equal to cot theta. Cot 90 minus theta is equal to tan theta. Therefore, tan and cot are T ratios of complementary to each other. Okay, tan and cot are complementary angles to each other, like that. So you can say same way, tan 30 is equal to cot 90 minus 30, which is equal to cot 60, right? Tan 60 is equal to cot 90 minus 60, which is equal to cot 30, likewise. Because sum of these is 90, like that you will take. Okay. Similarly, same way you take secant and cosecant. Okay. So secant theta is equal to hypotenuse by adjacent side, which is equal to AC by AB, which is equal to secant A. Cosecant 90 minus theta is equal to cosecant C is equal to hypotenuse by opposite side, which is equal to AC by AB. Therefore, secant theta is equal to cosecant 90 minus theta. Cosecant theta is equal to secant 90 minus theta. So, secant A is equal to cosecant C. Cosecant A is equal to secant C. Therefore, secant and cosecant are T ratios of complementary to each other. Therefore, secant 30 is equal to cosecant 90 minus 30, cosecant 60. Cosecant 30 is equal to secant 90 minus 30, which is equal to secant 60, likewise. Are you clear? Complementary is different, reciprocal is different. Okay. So, three pairs of complementary: sine cos, tan cot, secant cosec. They are complementary to each other. Three pairs of complementary sets. Again, reciprocal: sine cosec, cos sec, tan cot. So, tan cot is either complementary and reciprocal. But sine and cosec are reciprocal, sine and cos are complementary. Cos and sec are reciprocal, secant and cosecant are complementary, likewise. Are you clear? This is the total theory of T ratios. Okay. Then any doubts, applications or problems we will discuss tomorrow. Okay. I think you are clear now. I think trigonometry are clear now. Yes. Okay. Tomorrow you ask me doubts from anywhere. Some exemplar or any reference of R.D. Sharma. Okay. Okay, thank you all.